Here's a pair of nesting bald eagles that it's doing its best to protect its future family while a powerful winter storm delivers heavy snowfall high above Big Bear Valley in California. More snow is on the way, but the birds are accustomed to cold weather. And Sean, I wanted to talk about that for a couple of reasons.
Yes.
One, you love birds.
I do.
You love them a lot. And two, that snow in California
Crazy.
looks a lot like what we had a couple days ago, but it's not what we're getting now.
No, we're getting rain now, in fact. I have 2 points to make. One, we're tracking rain and snow this week. The rain comes Monday. The other point is that if you do want to get outside tomorrow amid the sunshine and find some bald eagles, it's actually moving into nesting season right now, so they're everywhere along the Mississippi River. So if you really wanted to go look for them, it's not hard to find them. There is a bunch there. Let's take a look at today. Today was sunny. Albert Lea, look at the sunset. Gorgeous. Wasn't a single cloud in the sky. You could even see some stars or planets. Which ones are they? I don't know, but they were going and moving. You can see the earth turning as we move more into night. 25 degrees in Albert Lea right now. It's cool, it's calm, it's fine. That's an average high temperature this time of year, and it's not our low temperature, but it's our overnight temperature, so it's not too bad. 22 in the Med-City, a little bit cooler winds. A bit stronger as well, 13 miles per hour. For the most part, temperatures right now are in the mid-20s, and our feels like temperatures are a little bit cooler than that. Winds generally aren't too strong. Will they get stronger? Yes, because as we talk about our range system moving in, it's going to be bringing in winds out of the south. With all of that warmth comes that rain. Again, if it wasn't for the warm temps, that rain would be snow, and it would probably be like 10 inches of snow. It would be a repeat of what we just had earlier this week. But it's going to be rain instead, so I'm sure some folks are happy about that. Out the door next couple of hours, if you are stepping out for around midnight, do keep in mind temperatures will start to quickly fall into the teens, even in some spots. We're in the teens right now. A couple of clouds left over. There is even a small chance for some fog early tomorrow morning as we're in the low teens. But by lunchtime, we're almost above freezing. It's totally sunny. And then even by the mid-afternoon, we're in the mid-30s. We're melting some snow as some clouds move in ahead of our system out of the south. Winds start to pick up out of the south above 10 miles per hour. 8 p.m. it's not raining yet, but it will rain pretty soon after that because 10 p.m. that's kind of give or take when we could start to see some rain moving in North Iowa, maybe a bit closer to midnight in southern Minnesota. At times this rain will be heavy. It takes a lot for this graphic right here, how I've built it, to show the yellow colors, to show the most intense colors. That means intense rain. Not only is it a decent rain, it's a briefly intense rain early Monday morning. That will make for some problems, I suspect, in some spots. First, when does that rain arrive? You can see it's a little bit closer to like 11 p.m. Mason City, Forest City, closer to like 1 a.m. along the border, maybe 2 or 3 a.m. closer to Rochester. Again, this is tomorrow night into Monday morning. Watch what happens. Here we are tomorrow morning. We're stepping back a little bit in time. Winds are turning out of the south for Sunday. Temperatures rising to the mid-30s, and here we are at midnight. Rain is moving on in. Some of this is heavy rain. Some of this is thunderstorms, in fact. That's how heavy this is going to be. This is not normal for this time of year. It is going to be way above average, just not in terms of temperature, but also in terms of the amount of moisture in the air. But as all of this warm moisture moves north, it collides with cooler air to the north, of course, and that could leave, especially closer to Rochester, Highway 14, and everywhere north of there, it as a wintry mix during the morning hours. So that could cause some problems for the Rochester Monday morning commute. It will start to turn into some wintry, snowy mix for the rest of Monday morning and early afternoon after that. We will be seeing a lot of it. I'm talking an inch or more. When you get an inch or more, especially because the ground is frozen, we just hit a bunch of snow, there will be concerns for flooding. If you are someone who owns a house, the basement gets flooded a lot. You should be listening right now. You need to dig a little in the snow next to your house. You need to dig with your shovel away from the water to get away from your house. Because if it goes towards your house, all of it will go there. It's not going to go in the ground.
That would not be a fun way to
Would not be
start your day.
fun. No, would not be a fun way to move into spring.
No, thanks, Sean.